Welcome back to Midden Computer Training Channel. Now that you know how to cut, trim, and arrange your clips, it's time to make your videos more informative and engaging by adding text. In this episode, I'll show you step-by-step how to add basic text, subtitles, and animated titles inside CapCut, even if you've never done it before. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so others can learn CapCut easily. To add text, go to the text menu and click Add Text. Type your words and they'll appear in the preview window. You can adjust the font, size, color, and alignment. Pick a style that matches your video's theme. For beginners, keep it simple and easy to read. To move text around, simply drag it on the preview window. Place titles at the top or bottom for clarity or in the center for emphasis. If you want subtitles, add short text clips on the timeline under each video section. This is the manual method. It's great for adding translations or clarifications. CapCut also has AI auto captions. With one click, it listens to your video and creates subtitles for you. This saves a lot of time, and you can still edit the text afterward. To make your videos more dynamic, you can use animated titles. CapCut offers preset styles like slide in, fade, or pop-up. Just select one and apply it to your text. Now your videos can speak with words as well as visuals. Let's recap. Add basic text for simple messages, format and position text clearly. Use manual subtitles for control. Use AI auto captions for speed. Add animated titles for style. And that's how you add text and titles in CapCut. From subtitles to flashy titles, you now have the tools to make your videos more professional and engaging. In the next episode, we lines explore adding transitions and effects where you lines learn how to connect your clips smoothly and make them pop. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And let me know in the comments, do you prefer simple clean text or animated titles with effects? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Now check out this related video. It's awesome. You'll love it.